and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday, which means Sunday dinner / date night. I'll get to that in a moment. Last night was a culinary expedition night, and we were in the Dominican Republic, where I prepared pollo guisado, and I put together a nice little dish. I'm calling it just simple rice with black beans. The pollo was very, very good. I wasn't sure what to expect. I'm pretty good at reading ingredients, but this was good. I used boneless, skinless thighs instead of regular bone-in thighs. It worked out perfect. Give it a try. Now, I swear it was written by a grandma, because there's only one time, literally time, written in the recipe. And it was towards the beginning. The rest of it, it's up to you. So you got it. Fortunately, because of my background, it wasn't a problem. But for somebody new, yeah. I'm not saying it is a problem, but you have to know a little something about how long vegetables take to cook, and that's just one of them. All right, I'm not trying to make it more difficult than it is, I promise. The rice and beans was just something I put together, a regular serving, 1 cup to 2 waters of rice to water, and a half can of black beans I had in the cold box, and I just added stuff from there. I had a leek that I needed to use, and yada, yada, yada. The ingredient list is available. All right, tonight is date night with Robin. We're kicking off our Thanksgiving week with, get this, Papa Murphy's Pizza. Basically, night off for me. Now, we take a Papa Murphy's Pizza and we actually make it into a Hawaiian pizza. I personally, Robin doesn't care, but I personally don't like chunk pineapple on my pizza. I like crushed. I just became a fan of Hawaiian pizza just within the last couple of years. So I do it my way. But this week, simple meals all the way up to Thanksgiving Day. Then the marathon starts. But I'm looking forward to it. I've already got my plans. My recipes are lined out. I'm ready to go. All right, so on this Sunday, stay warm if you're in Northern California. And I talked to my mom the other day in Michigan. It's cold there too, but it's colder in Michigan. So stay warm. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.